Good morning, students. We are going to do class 10th ICSE Chemistry, Chapter 8, Hydrogen Chloride. The formula for hydrogen chloride is HCl and molecular formula is 36.5. Bond is formed by hydrogen chloride is covalent bond. Okay, so now we will come to next, which is the main topic, occurrence. Means ये हमें कहाँ पे मिलता है? Globler prepared the acid in 1684. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो ये सॉल्ट है ये किसने प्रिपेयर किया है? ग्लोबर ने प्रिपेयर किया है 1648 में. इसे हम पहले हीट करेंगे NaCl के साथ, मीन्स कॉमन सॉल्ट के साथ, विच कंसनट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो इसको नेम दिया गया था वो लेवोजियर ने दिया था म्यूरेटिक एसिड. देन आफ्टर डेविस आए, उन्होंने इसका नाम क्या दिया? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. देन हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड गैस अकर इन फ्री स्टेट. ये फ्री स्टेट में मिलती है. हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड इज प्रेजेंट इन गैस्ट्रिक जूस ऑफ मैमल्स एंड इट हेल्प इन डाइजेशन. ये डाइजेशन में भी हेल्प करती है और मैमल्स में भी ये प्रेजेंट होती है इन गैस्ट्रिक जूस. सो द जनरल preparations of hydrochloride gas, HCl gas. Remember, we are talking about gas only. So we will use first biosynthesis method, which is also called direct method or direct combination. Most hydrogen gas combined with chlorine in the presence of diffuse sunlight. Means हम हाइड्रोजन को क्लोरीन के साथ डिफ्यूज सनलाइट के प्रेजेंस में जब रिएक्ट करवाएंगे, डिफ्यूज्ड सनलाइट की प्रेजेंस में इसको रिएक्ट करवाएंगे, then the product will be HCl, means hydrogen chloride gas. The reaction is very explosive in direct sunlight, but it is negligible in the dark. What I have said? Negligible in the dark and is explosive in sunlight or in the presence of sunlight. Then, however, in the presence of catalyst such as activated carbon, the reaction take place even in the dark. अगर हमें ये नाइट में या डार्क में रिएक्शन करवानी है, देन वी विल यूज एक्टिवेटेड कार्बन. ओके, सो इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एक्टिवेटेड कार्बन रिएक्शन टेक प्लेस इवन इन द डार्क. एक्चुअली व्हाट्स द पर्पस ऑफ एक्टिवेटेड कार्बन? एक्टिवेटेड कार्बन इट अब्सॉर्ब हाइड्रोजन विच इंक्रीज रिएक्टिविटी. ये क्या करता है? ये हाइड्रोजन को अब्सॉर्ब कर लेता है. अब्सॉर्ब हाइड्रोजन, जो कि इंक्रीज करता है रिएक्टिविटी को. बर्निंग जेट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन ऑल्सो बर्निंग क्लोरीन फॉर्मिंग हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट, दैट इज बाय हीटिंग मेटालिक क्लोराइड विथ कंसनट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. मीन्स मेटालिक क्लोराइड plus H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, which gave us salt and HCl gas. Right? So we will take an example, NaCl, which is common salt. When we use NaCl with H2SO4 and the temperature is this 200 degrees Celsius, so the product will be one salt and HCl gas. Product will be NaHSO4. Second example, NaCl plus H2SO4. When NaCl react with H2SO4 above 200 degrees Celsius temperature, the product will be Na2SO4 plus HCl gas. We will do configuration, that is 2 NaCl, right? There is very difference in these two reactions, that is here we take above 200 degrees Celsius but here less than 200 degrees Celsius. Is that clear?
So now
precaution must be taken, right? So first is the lower end of Thistin funnel must be dipped in concentrated sulfuric acid. Remember, second point, temperature is maintained and at nearly 200 degrees Celsius, or we can say approximately 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, if temperature will goes up, then it will create problems. Okay, and in third point we will discuss this, that it will create problem at higher temperature or above high temperature, means above 200 degrees Celsius. The apparatus, which is made up of glass, may crack or may break, right? So apparatus of glass may break. Then second point for this is fuel get wasted, right? Fuel wasted. Next point for this, sodium sulfate form a hard crust which stick to the glass. This is not very important point according to me. Then physical properties of hydrogen chloride gas. Physical property. This point is not very important, but yeah, here some important points are. First of all, physical properties are color, smell, taste, physiological nature. This is important. Density, boiling point, melting point, liquefaction and solidification, right? L for liquefaction and S for solidification, and ninth one is solubility. Here I am showing you the chart which is in the book, right? Here colorless gas. I will give you the important. The taste is acidic, physiological liquid, right? Then read this chart, okay? Now experiment to show density, to demonstrate density, means HCl gas is heavier than air. I am drawing diagram for you. This is candle, and in this tube there is HCl gas. It can be proved by pouring the gas in a jar with a burning candle. The candle gets extinguished because HCl gas, being heavier, occupies the lower portion of the jar and forces the air out of it. Okay, means HCl not a supporting of combustion. The next experiment to demonstrate or to show the solubility, means HCl gas is highly soluble. We have to prove it. मतलब हमें ये चीज़ प्रूव करनी है, जो HCl गैस है वो highly soluble है. I am showing you the diagram. See what happened here. We have taken HCl gas and all. I will tell you the reason or conclusion directly. When we press the dropper, it is seen the blue litmus solution enter the jet tube with a great force, forming a red fountain, maintaining droplets of hydrogen chloride acid. Chloride gas, means HCl gas, fumes in moist air, forming tiny particles or droplets of HCl acid. क्या हुआ, जो ब्लू लिटमस सॉल्यूशन था वो रेड में कन्वर्ट हो गया. वाई? जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ एसिडिक नेचर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड गैस. This is very important and can be asked in your board examination or in your home examination in second term or unit test maybe. So this is very important. Now we will do next topic, which is chemical properties of hydrogen chloride gas. Chemical properties. First, combustibility. एक्चुअल गैस इज़ नीदर कम्बस्टिबल, ना तो ये कम्बस्टिबल है और ना ये सपोर्टर है किसकी, कम्बशन की। मीन्स ये ना तो बर्न होगी और बल्कि वो दूसरे जो स्प्लिंट बर्न कर रहा है उसी को एक्सटिंग्विश कर देगी, उसी को बुझा देगी। सो नॉट बर्न, रैदर इट एक्सटिंग्विश अ बर्निंग स्प्लिंट। ये इसकी इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी है, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड गैस की। सेकेंड पॉइंट, थर्मल डिसोसिएशन। ऑन हीटिंग above 500 degrees Celsius, it dissociate into hydrogen and chlorine, means HCl. On heating above 500 degrees Celsius, we will get H2 plus Cl2, right? थर्ड में मेटल, जब भी मेटल्स के साथ हम इसको हीट करवाएंगे HCl को, द प्रोडक्ट विल बी मेटल क्लोराइड एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस. So I will give you 2 examples, rest you have to practice. First, Na plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2. By balancing we will get 2 NaCl and 2 Na. Second example of Ca plus HCl gives CaCl2 plus H2. By balancing we get 2 HCl. Next you have to do practice. As you know, practice makes a man perfect. Not only man but women also. So fourth one is reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia. Here I am going to tell you very important point. See, it combined with ammonia to form dense white fumes of ammonium chloride. Okay. NH3 plus HCl gives NH4Cl. Very important reaction. These two gases combine to form solid, means इन दो gases ने मिलके NH3 और HCl दो gases ने मिलके एक solid form किया NH4Cl. Very important question, can be asked in your board exam, pre-board exam, unit test as well as your home exams. So this is the first video for this chapter. For second video I will see your response. If your response is good and you like the video by understanding the concepts, then I will surely make video for you in second part. So please comment and tell me what you want next.